The next conversation, Argue Less, Talk More by Jefferson Fisher. Key takeaways. Number 1, arguments are windows, not wars. The person you see isn't the person you're talking to. Beyond the surface. Every individual carries a depth of experiences, emotions, and perspectives that remain unseen on the surface. Recognizing this complexity transforms arguments from battles to opportunities for deeper understanding. Untying knots. Conflict in communication represents a struggle, and untying crossed wires takes time, emotion, and effort. Arguments provide a glimpse into another person's world, revealing struggles, fears, and hopes that lie beneath the surface. Shift in perspective. By dropping the idea of winning an argument, you open the door to genuine connection and understanding. This shift in perspective allows you to see the other person's struggle and respond with empathy rather than aggression. Number 2, next conversations matter more. You can change everything in your next conversation. Healing power. While first impressions are important, it's the subsequent conversations that truly test and define relationships. Next conversations offer a chance to reframe, apologize, and mend, leveraging the benefit of hindsight and reflection. Realistic goals. Avoid relying on unrealistic expectations or predetermined outcomes. Instead, set achievable goals focused on learning and understanding, such as hearing the other person's perspective without defensiveness. Values as compass. Values serve as your compass, guiding your actions and ensuring that you show up authentically. By aligning your conversation with your values, you increase the likelihood of reaching your goals while staying true to yourself. Number 3, connection requires understanding and acknowledgement. True connection involves sharing information with depth, beyond transmission. In today's digital age, it's easy to mistake transmission for connection. However, true connection goes beyond mere data exchange, requiring depth, context, and emotional nuance. Two-factor authentication. Connection is a two-part process involving both understanding and acknowledgement. You must not only comprehend the other person's perspective, but also demonstrate that you've heard and valued their input. 3 connection killers. Lack of awareness, understanding, and self-assurance can all cut off connection. Cultivating these qualities is essential for building strong relationships and navigating difficult conversations. Number 4, control yourself before you control the moment. What triggers you teaches you. Ignition and cooling. Every argument has an ignition phase where emotions escalate and a cooling phase where tensions subside. Recognizing these phases allows you to better manage your reactions and steer the conversation toward resolution. Meet your triggers. Triggers, whether physical or psychological, can hijack your communication. Identifying your triggers and understanding their root causes is crucial for maintaining control in heated moments. Breath and awareness. By focusing on your breath and practicing quick scans, you can regain control of your body and emotions in the midst of conflict. This allows you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Number 5, confidence is assertiveness in action. Confidence doesn't mean you're not afraid. It means you do it scared. Confidence is earned. Confidence isn't a trait you're born with. It's a feeling that grows from taking action. Assertiveness, the outward expression of confidence, is the key to building this positive feedback loop. Assertive vocabulary. Word choice matters. Use assertive language that conveys confidence without aggression. Eliminate filler words, over-apologies, and phrases that undermine your worth. Small talks. Develop small talks or phrases that empower you and recenter you when you feel off balance. These phrases should be tied to your goals, start with verbs, and be personal to you. Number 6, defensiveness kills connection. The person who speaks last often loses. The high cost. Defensiveness erects walls, preventing understanding and shutting down communication. It's a telltale sign of the ignition phase, signaling a threat response that hinders connection. Grace and perspective. Combat defensiveness by giving grace and assuming positive intent. Recognize that others' actions may not be personal attacks, but rather reflections of their own struggles and perspectives. Take ownership. Stop attending every argument you're invited to. Take ownership of your words and realize that not everything requires a response. Choose to disengage and protect your peace of mind. Number 7, frames focus conversations. The fewer the words, the clearer the point. Clear parameters. Frames provide structure and direction, ensuring that conversations stay focused and productive. Without a frame, discussions can wander aimlessly, leading to confusion and frustration. 3-step framing. Set a direction, call your shot, and get their commitment. This approach clarifies your intentions and secures buy-in from the other person, creating a shared understanding of the conversation's purpose. 1 frame, 1 issue. To maximize focus and engagement, limit each conversation to a single issue. This allows for deeper exploration and more meaningful connection, preventing the discussion from becoming scattered and overwhelming.